We hit the camp in the late waves, between empty signals and scraped our names. Buried our amps in the dunes, like a band of brothers, no generated scores, no borrowed vowels, no factory words, no desecrated craft. If it doesn't bruise, it doesn't stay. We need real blood in the pain. If you've never sang a song, sing it from now on. If you've never played on stage, bring some gear along. Blood in the paint, crack in the throat, play early or late, argue the note. If it's too clean, it's a suspect. If it's dirty, it's perfect. We don't print first output, we want it to be wrong. Blood in the paint, on it, 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 on it. There's still Asians amongst us, hiding inside synthetic emotions, stories of pain that were never truly felt. We check their hands, too soft, too even, with too many fingers. So we're hunting the witches in our curated boards. Now trust is a virtue we can no longer afford. That shaped your hand. If it's seamless, you're out. If it floats, you're thrown gone. We don't play with words, we play with callus on our fingers.